Oh.
Our bird has laid an egg. It may hatch for the next 10 days. I don't know what we will name it. Guess we'll name it Pancake.